I'm leaving this today. It's really early. It's like 6 in the morning. Alright, we're about to go to takeoff. My mom's crying. Going to Boston. Staying in a hotel tonight. Oh my gosh, she's crying, so we have to go pick up all my stuff. And then moving in tomorrow. We're going out to dinner tonight and stuff, going to this place called Solmona, which I've been to one other time, and then Lolita back day.
Welcome to Boston. The local time is 11:44. Please remain seated with your seatbelt.
We just went and picked up all my stuff and went to Home Goods in Target, and now we're going back to our hotel. You're so cute. Got it? During some of the last days. Hi, I just got a call that says my mattress is being delivered right now. It's at 7 in the morning. What the heck? I don't know what to do. Okay. So it worked out. I went and let the people up to my room. But then we just went to Tate and got coffee. And we can go move into my apartment in 30 minutes, so we're gonna go back to the hotel, get our stuff, and then go over. Going into my apartment now. Wait, this is sick. Yo! So all my stuff, bed. Caitlin's on a work meeting. Alright, me and Kate are going grocery shopping. Just got here. Moved. I'm still in the process of moving in. We just went to Whole Foods and just got like a couple of snacks. Now I'm like trying to order the rest of my furniture. So I'm just sitting on my bed right now in my room, and I got this from Costco. It's kind of expensive, but I feel like it's important to have a good mattress. I have this pillow. It's like a full body pillow. It's from Target, and like just a couple other things right now, but I'm still ordering stuff, so as it comes in I'll show you guys, and then hopefully by when our couch comes in and stuff, our whole apartment is done. Alright, so me and Caitlin moved most of our stuff in today. We're about to go to this restaurant called Fat Baby to get food. It's in Southie.
Smart, do you think the average person
I'm like,
is smart?
I
don't want him to know who I am, so like,
oh my god. I thought it was yours for a second.
my vlog is here. Do you want me to get her?
Is this recording?
Yeah.
Oh, get my dispo, you know?
Hey.
Oh yeah,
Vlog.
we're
Just first night in Boston. We're in Southie.
Oh, Taylor's back.
Taylor's
Ready
back.
to
Taylor
play.
doesn't look
Back.
good. The lighting's a lot.
That's cute.
Suze?
Ooh, everything's
Oh my god, Susie. Good morning. I am walking to the Good Bagels, and I'm gonna time to see how long it takes me to get into like the seaport, like where Cisco is. So, walking now. minutes ago, so my flight's in like 15 minutes. So I'm at Boston Logan right now. I just got dropped off where like you get dropped off for Ubers and stuff. But I'm going to Newark right now, and I'm gonna stay for literally just one night and then come home. So the flight wasn't too expensive, and honestly it's so easy because where I live now is in the seaport, so that's literally like 6 minutes away from the airport. It takes like 5 minutes. It's crazy. It's amazing. I was hungry, but coffee makes you skinny, so. Oh my god, literally the last row of the plane. I literally thought I was gonna freaking die on the plane ride. No. I might have to take the train back. No. My dude actually has 5 stars. You not my wife. Wifey though. Good morning everyone. Just woke up. I have a flight home at like 8:20, so I'm just leaving now. I'm hoping it doesn't take a lot to get there, but it's just like a little airport bit. Where's the shit? Hey guys, just got home from the airport. Thank you so much for watching, and subscribe if you're new. Follow me on Instagram below, comment, like, subscribe. Thank you so much, and see you all soon.